Oh, welcome back. So day 2, afternoon now. I've not really not had the camera on this morning. So where was we yesterday? Yeah, so I just done Hard Knot Pass and then up to Buttermere. So I spent the night with my friends in their rented house in Buttermere, and we went off to the pub for the evening meal and a bit of a stroll around the lake up to the waterfall. Set off this morning just after 9ish, and then through Cockermouth we were over towards Carlisle and across to Dumfries, and then from there north to Thornhill down to a place called Wigtown. That road between Thornhill and Norton Stewart through the forest, oh, it was unreal. Could have been anywhere in the world. Certainly didn't feel like the UK. And heading north back through another road that cuts through the Dumfries and Galloway forest. So I hope this one's as stunning as the one I did earlier. What is it now? 3:30. 160 today so far. My next stop is Irvine, is it? Is that how you say it? Irvine? 44 miles away. Is it a statue of somebody on a horse or something? Yeah, that road. I think it was A702. There's hardly anything on it at all. It was just fast, sweeping, scenic. It was a little bit gravelly on some of the corners. Love roads like this. Especially when you've got them to yourself. There we are, Ayrshire, South Ayrshire. Yeah, I have done this road before. We've done it the other way. You do get stuck behind the odd logging lorry. In fact, that's probably why the road surfaces get so good in tarmacs, because of the lorries. In fact, last time I came down here, there was a car had gone off the road down the, probably about here actually, down the edge there. Yeah, Steve will remember that if he's watching. Oh, smooth road. Oh, this is ace. Could have done a bit of this on the Hard Knot Pass. Yeah, I don't think you'll get many logging lorries going up there. Oh, look at all this, look. Yeah, it does make me sad, it really does. You waiting? Are you waiting? Thank you, mate. This has got to be the best road surface I've been on all week. I say all week. I only set off yesterday, didn't I? That might have been where we had the stop before for a landmark up there. Yeah, it was. That's it. You see a lot of that. People just drive out to the middle of nowhere, just get the chair out and sit down. I suppose it depends where you're from, doesn't it? I suppose if you live in a city and this is completely different. My next turn is 19 miles. It's not 19 miles on this road. Yeah, I bet this was all pine trees on the left before, all been chopped down. Let's see where they've tried. Missed a few or started growing a few, but they're not very close together. Oh god, this road's horrendous. Oh, that's what slows you down. You can't ride very fast on bumps and lumps like that. Look at it. Oh, it's more effective than a speed camera. Hey, sun's out. Straight on. Welcome to straight on. Oh, speed bump. Bollocks. Tell you what, this bike, it's, well, on paper it's boring. It's nothing to look at. Won't win any beauty contest. but it just right handles, nimble, quick, so usable. Ah, yeah, that's nice. Stick that in the middle of the road. Where are we now? Kirk Michael, Isle of Man. Does look a bit like Kirk Michael. Kirk Michael Arms. It's nice. Right, this is Irvine. Irvine. So we're looking for statue of a horse or something. Beach Drive. I don't think I've been here before. That's it, the Carter and his horse. See it, there it is. We've arrived. 42 minutes to the campsite. Right, I'll see you back at camp. Right, this is the coast road up to Largs in Ayrshire. I wonder if that's the Isle of Arran over there. Sea Mill. Right, so tomorrow then, it's a bit different because we are going to have a day island hopping on and off the ferries. So I've just got to decide whether I get up and get off and do another landmark first on the north coast, or just go straight to the ferry terminal to get to Butte. Yeah, I think I'm going for option B at the minute. I think I'll plan for B, and then if for whatever reason I find that I'm awake early, yeah, I think it was as warm as that. It's quite a busy place.